Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Want to save a WhatsApp status but don't want to use extra apps? In this video I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. If you are using an iPhone or Android, you can save a WhatsApp status without downloading any apps. Here is how. Open the WhatsApp app and tap Status. View the status you want to save. And method 1, take a screenshot. On Android, press the power plus volume down buttons at the same time. On iPhone, press the side plus volume up buttons simultaneously. The image is now saved in your gallery. Okay, go back to WhatsApp. For videos, open the screen record on your phone. On Android, swipe down the notification panel and tap Screen Recorder. On iPhone, open the Control Center and tap the Record button. Start recording and play the WhatsApp status video. Once done, stop the recording, it will be saved in your gallery. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.